Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let me hope that everybody is doing well. As you can see, the obvious, I'm not in the kitchen cooking up one of your favorite dishes. However, I am in the beautiful city of Niagara. That's in Canada. So I want to take you to the falls and give you a tour, a panoramic view of this beautiful city. So I want you to stay tuned. Watch the video to the very end. Now, if you're new to the MDTD channel, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button, like, and also share with your friends and your family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. It's always good to have you. So, all right, stay tuned. I'm going to show you around, show you what is happening here in Niagara. It's a very beautiful city. All right, so if you're not from Canada, or even if you're from Canada and you want to visit somewhere nice, Niagara is the place. Guys, look at the background, the greenery. Absolutely amazing. All right, so come with me. Let's go to the falls. So guys, here I am, standing at the American side of the falls. All right, so let me give you a zoom in. See down there, it's the tour of the falls. I think that one is called the horn blower, and that's for the Canadians. As you can see, they're all in red raincoats. And if you look over there, that bridge right over there, yeah, the bridge that I see I'm zooming up on, that's the Peace Bridge that links Canada to America. That's in Buffalo, New York. So that's what we're looking at right there. Alright, so let me take you to the Canadian side. Yeah guys, so what you're looking at now is the Canadian side, which is the bigger side. It's more powerful. And you can see here, that's the Maid of the Mists. They are decked out in blue raincoat, and their horn blower is in red. Those are the Canadians. Those are the Americans. This is the Canadian side of the falls. Naturally, man, you can feel the mist. That's how powerful it is from where I'm standing. Absolutely amazing, absolutely beautiful. Here we again have rainbow. So as you can see, the horn blower is going up close. So as you can see over here, we have a nice picnic area. You can come, you can just chill, enjoy your picnic. It's a beautiful city, very beautiful city here in Canada. So guys, let me know what you think about the vlog so far. I've walked away from the falls, so I'm heading up to Clifton Hill. So Clifton Hill, sorry about that. Clifton Hill is one of the famous spots. I think that's where you have the game arcades, the rides, and so forth and so on. So I want to take you up there and just give you a view. So over here is where you have the sky wheel. So if you want to go get that big spin, this is where you come. So as you can see, guys, a lot to do on a mini vacay. So I guess this is Jurassic Park. Wow. There, right over there, that's your go-kart track. Wow. So guys, this is later in the evening. I'm going to close out the vlog, but before I do so, I want to take you to the fireworks. All right, so it is the grand finale, and I do hope that you enjoy the fireworks. All right, so stay tuned, enjoy the show. I believe it's going to be spectacular. Well, let's watch together. All right, guys, here we go. Guys, I know I brought you here today to give you a view, but I said to myself I had to come back to show you the night view with all the lights. Amazing. This is what the street looks like. A lot of people coming from the fireworks. But this is the famous Clifton Hill at night. All these lights just pull you in, vibe, quite crowded. I told you about the game arcade and the inner child. Come on, let me show you. Everything for the kids. Everything. Remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. And this is a sky wheel at night. So you can make your choice. Which is more beautiful, the day shots or the night shots? Guys, thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Let me know how you enjoyed the vlog. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe and share. All right, share it with your friends and your family. We want you all to become a part of the MDTD family. All right, so God bless you, and I will see you in the next vlog, probably a cooking video. All right, so I have something coming up for you. All right, thank you so much. God bless you.